properties of nitrogen. These are the physical properties. One, colorless. It does not have any color. Okay. Number two, odorless. Okay, meaning that there is no smell. No smell. Tasteless. Does not have any taste. And then it is a gas at room temperature. It is slightly less dense than air. So when you compare the density of nitrogen to that of air, it is slightly less dense than air. And the boiling point is negative 196 degrees Celsius. That's the boiling point of nitrogen. And then it is slightly soluble in water. That is why we are collecting it over water. Are we together? Let us now look at the chemical properties of nitrogen. First, nitrogen neither burns nor supports burning. It does not burn nor do what? Support burning. It is neutral in nature. Therefore, it has no effect on moist litmus paper. No effect on moist litmus paper. We never use a litmus paper which has not been moistened. Always make sure that the litmus paper has been moistened before use. So when you are writing anything concerning a litmus paper or an observation made using a litmus paper, then your statement must contain what? The word moist. Moist blue litmus paper. It does not react readily with other elements. So when you put a nitrogen close to another element, under ordinary conditions, it does not do what? It does not readily react. Why does it not readily react? It is because it has a triple nitrogen-nitrogen covalent bond. And that nitrogen triple covalent bond is very strong and it requires a lot of energy to break. When you are learning about alkynes, we say that the carbon-carbon triple covalent bond is weak. Now, for the case of what? Nitrogen triple covalent bond is very strong, and it requires a lot of energy cells to do what? To break. Now, at the beginning here, we say nitrogen does not burn nor supports burning. So, in the composition of air, we have 78% being nitrogen and 21% being oxygen. Now, oxygen supports burning, and it is a large fraction of the total percentage of air. Then nitrogen again is having even a higher percentage. It's 78% per volume of air. Therefore, the presence of nitrogen in air slows down combustion. It reduces the rate of combustion. Otherwise, if nitrogen was less, then oxygen could have fanned the fire. So therefore, we could be having a lot of fire outbreaks. But now, because we have nitrogen, which does not burn, nor support burning, being plenty, then oxygen cannot do what? Cannot lead to uncontrolled fires. Are we together? We better stop there. We meet in